Check out this pirate ship, guys. Welcome to Laura Beach, guys. So part of this area is supposed to be upscale, but this doesn't look that fancy. Looks kind of similar to the other side, actually. So we're going to head on pretty quickly and take a look at the waterfall here. And then we're going to head back and pack up my stuff here. And in the next video, I'll be getting into my trip preparation for tomorrow's flight, which is at midnight. Here we go. Let's check this out. So it's called the Lower Duden Waterfalls. And we have a park over here. And there's at the ocean at the end of this little river here is the falls. I'm just gonna videotape this area for a little while. Free of charge, unless you count the bus fare. Better not to take a little swim over here, lest you might get swept off here. They have a little staircase there, but they do have a fence here that is to keep people from getting swept over the Check out this madness, guys. Let's just go take a look around the other side here. But it's like gotta be at least 150 feet drop or something else.
The thing is, they won't like to see.
Check out this madness, guys. Nice view over here. So my battery is just about dead on my cell phone here, but this is a nice area, let me tell you. The only thing about this area, if I were to come here like every day, you see this cliff, I mean, there's not any, retaining wall that's holding us up, It's just like, kind of risk of a collapse there. But it is nice to come once, and I'm going to move back a little bit here and head on over to the park here. So I've never seen anything like these cliffs here, how they just seem to go on for a fairly long amount of time there, or distance across the landscape here. And definitely not with this waterfall here.